7 mindfulness techniques to boost your resilience today. Hey everyone, life has a way of throwing curveballs at us, doesn't it? Whether it's work stress, relationship challenges, or just the general chaos of daily life, we all need tools to help us bounce back stronger. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful mindfulness techniques that can build your resilience starting right now. These aren't just theoretical concepts, they're practical tools you can use immediately when life gets tough. So grab a comfortable seat and let's dive in. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional mental health treatment. If you're experiencing severe anxiety or mental health concerns, please consult with a qualified mental health professional. Technique 1. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method. The first technique is perfect when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. It's called the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method, and it brings you back to the present moment by engaging all your senses. Here's how it works. Name 5 things you can see around you right now. Identify 4 things you can physically touch or feel. Listen for 3 sounds in your environment. Notice 2 scents you can smell. Think of 1 thing you can taste. This technique works because it interrupts the spiral of anxious thoughts and grounds you firmly in reality. When your mind is racing about future worries or past regrets, this pulls you back to what's actually happening right now. Technique 2. The mindful pause. Before reacting to stressful situations, try the mindful pause. It's incredibly simple but surprisingly powerful. When something triggers you, maybe it's a difficult email, a challenging conversation, or unexpected bad news. Instead of immediately reacting, take 3 conscious breaths. During these breaths, notice what you're feeling in your body. Are your shoulders tense? Is your jaw clenched? Is your heart racing? This brief pause creates space between the trigger and your response. It's in this space that resilience lives. Instead of being reactive, you become responsive. You're choosing how to engage rather than being hijacked by your emotions. Technique 3. Body scan meditation. The body scan is like giving yourself a gentle internal checkup. You can do this sitting or lying down. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your attention down through your body. Notice each part without trying to change anything. Just observe. Your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, your neck and shoulders, your arms, your chest, your stomach, your legs, all the way down to your toes. This practice helps you recognize where you hold stress in your body before it becomes overwhelming. When you're aware of tension early, you can address it before it builds into something bigger. It's like having an early warning system for stress. Technique 4. The RAIN technique. RAIN stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and non-identification. It's particularly helpful when you're dealing with difficult emotions. Recognize, what am I feeling right now? Name the emotion without judgment. Allow, let the feeling be there. Don't try to push it away or make it bigger. Investigate. Where do I feel this in my body? What does it actually feel like physically? Non-identification. Remember that you are not your emotions. You might say to yourself, I notice anger is here. rather than I am angry. This creates a healthier relationship with difficult emotions. Instead of being consumed by them, you observe them with curiosity and compassion. Technique 5. Mindful breathing anchor. Your breath is always available as an anchor to the present moment. Here's a simple but effective breathing technique. Breathe in for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 4. Breathe out for a count of 6. The longer exhale activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you feel calmer and more centered. You can use this anywhere, in meetings, before difficult conversations, when you're stuck in traffic, or when you're lying in bed unable to sleep. Your breath becomes a portable sanctuary you can access anytime. Technique 6. Loving kindness for resilience. Resilience isn't just about being tough. It's also about being kind to yourself. This loving kindness practice builds your inner support system. Place your hand on your heart and offer yourself these phrases. May I be safe and protected. May I be healthy and strong. May I be peaceful and at ease. May I navigate this challenge with wisdom and grace. When we're going through tough times, we often become our own worst critic. This practice builds the inner compassion that's essential for true resilience. You become your own best friend rather than your own worst enemy. Technique 7. The Growth Mindset Reset. This final technique helps you reframe challenges as opportunities for growth. When facing a difficult situation, ask yourself these mindful questions. What can this situation teach me? How might I grow stronger through this experience? What skills or qualities am I developing by facing this challenge? How can I show up as my best self right now? This isn't about toxic positivity or pretending everything is fine. It's about consciously choosing to look for the growth opportunities hidden within difficulties. Resilient people don't avoid challenges. They engage with them mindfully and extract wisdom from them. Practical integration. Here's the thing about these techniques. They work best when you practice them regularly, not just during crisis moments. It's like building muscle at the gym. The more you practice mindfulness when things are calm, the more available these skills will be when things get tough. I recommend starting with just one technique that resonates with you. Practice it daily for a week. Once it feels natural, add another one. Building resilience is a gradual process, not a quick fix. Remember, resilience isn't about being invulnerable or never struggling. It's about developing the inner resources to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and wisdom. These mindfulness techniques are tools to help you do exactly that. Which technique are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical wellness content. Until next time, be kind to yourself and remember, you're more resilient than you know.